You know that in the habitats we find everything we need to survive. For example, food, shelter, and water. So it's very important, right? But we were thinking with Miss Tran, and we have a question. Do we take care of our habitats? We are going to imagine something to answer this important question. So first, we invite you to close your eyes. Everyone try to close your eyes to be concentrate. Now, imagine all the things that we need to live. Food, for example, water, our homes, school, supermarket, for example, a park. Okay. Now imagine what happens if we don't have all those things on the supermarket, the restaurants, our houses, the school, or the trees, for example, the trees to get fruit, or the water, for example. What we would do? Can we live without food, water, or shelter? Of course that we can't live without these important things. But I think that we don't take care of our planet. And we have proofs to that. Let's go to watch this video now and then go to the next slide.